Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're going to dive into the world of YouTube automation and explore how you can create a successful faceless channel that generates passive income using AI. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is AI Mystery, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. Now before we jump into the nitty-gritty of creating your own faceless channel, let's take a quick look at two successful examples. First up, we have Brett in Tech, a tech-based AI channel with a whopping 1.34 million subscribers. And secondly, there's Elon Musk Fanzone, boasting 1.14 million subscribers. These channels are prime examples of how you can leverage YouTube automation and make your mark in the digital world. Segment 1, the rise of faceless channels and YouTube automation. So what exactly are faceless channels, and how are creators using AI to their advantage? Faceless channels are those where the content creators remain anonymous or don't show their faces on camera. This anonymity allows them to focus solely on the content, and that's where the magic happens. They leverage the power of AI to automate various aspects of their channels, saving time and effort while reaching a massive audience. From video creation to keyword research, AI has revolutionized the way content is produced and distributed on YouTube. This not only simplifies the workflow, but also empowers creators to focus on generating more engaging and valuable content. Segment 2, benefits of running a faceless channel. Running a faceless channel offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, it allows you to maintain your privacy and work from the comfort of your own space. Secondly, it opens doors to various niche possibilities. Since the focus is on content, you can explore diverse topics without being limited by your personal identity. Moreover, faceless channels often create a sense of intrigue and mystery, which can keep the audience engaged and curious about what's coming next. And as we've seen from our examples earlier, these channels have the potential to attract a massive following. Segment 3, getting started with your faceless channel. Now that you're excited about starting your own faceless channel, let's walk through the essential steps to get you up and research your niche. The first step is to find a niche that aligns with your passion and interests. Conduct thorough research to identify a target audience hungry for the type of content you want to create. Set up your AI tools. Next, explore the various AI tools available for content creation, video editing, and keyword research. These tools will be your invaluable partners in the journey of YouTube automation. Create compelling content. Remember, content is king. Craft engaging and valuable videos that cater to your audience's needs and preferences. Keep it informative, entertaining, and unique. Optimize with keywords. Don't forget about keywords. Use relevant and high-ranking keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your visibility in YouTube searches. Consistency is key. Stay consistent with your uploads. Regularly publish new content to keep your audience coming back for more. Segment 4, monetization and passive income. Now let's address the burning question. How do you make money with a faceless channel? YouTube Partner Program. Once you've grown your subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This program allows you to earn money through ads shown on your videos. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel gains popularity, brands may approach you for sponsorships and collaborations. These partnerships can be highly lucrative. Affiliate marketing. Utilize affiliate marketing by promoting products or services in your niche. When viewers make a purchase through your unique links, you earn a commission. Merchandise and patrons. Create and sell merchandise related to your channel, and you can also invite your loyal viewers to support you on platforms like Patreon. Segment 5, inspiring success stories. Before we wrap up, let's hear some inspiring success stories from creators who have achieved remarkable success with their faceless channels. Isn't it amazing to see how YouTube automation and faceless channels are changing the game for content creators worldwide? It's time for you to take that leap of faith and embark on your journey to YouTube success. Conclusion. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, building a successful faceless channel takes dedication and creativity, but with the power of AI and your unique content, the possibilities are limitless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.